Hello friends, we are going to make a flying parrot. Take a square paper, fold it into a triangle with color inside. Open it, make another triangle with color outside. This we will make into a kite fold. Open, bring the outer edge along the central fold line. Do the same on the other side. Turn over and fold the triangle into half, the 2 points together. Turn over, bring the outer edge along the central line and lift the green flap, like that. Do the same thing on the other side. The outer white edge along the center, lift the green flap and press. Fold the 2 small triangles up. Turn over. Bring the base line along the center. Do not fold the small triangle at the back. Do the same on the other side. Press it and turn over again. Bring the lower flap right up and then press it. Now, cut the triangle into half. On each half, divide it into 3 parts. 1, 2, 1, 2. The first corner to the second line. To the corner to the second line. We will fold it. Lift the small triangle, fold it inside, up to the second line. The same way on the other side. Lift the corner, fold it inside, up to the second line. And fold the whole thing along the length. Put the flaps up and you have a big side and a small side. Along the small side, make a beak. Open it, press it down and press together, forming the beak. Now, just make your eyes of the parrot on both sides and your parrot is ready to fly. I hope you enjoyed making the flying parrot. Please subscribe to Morris Fun to Learn. Thank you.